friends, this is just Kirat from EMP. So the project under demonstration today is a very interesting project. This entitled as Smart Cart System. So as you can see, this bulky body over here, this is the cart used for shopping at various complexes and malls and all. So this is not a simple cart, this is a smart cart. Let me show you it from the inside also. There it has a locking mechanism inside it. We have few controller sections over here. You can see the circuitry. This is the controller section with the power supply and all. This is the display section of the same. Alright, the main thing of this project is the smart RFID reader. So what this project or this smart card does is we'll be passing the few products from this hollow space. As the project is passed, or as the product is passed through this particular area, the product is scanned through the RFID tags that is fixed on them, and it is fed into the memory of this AVR controller, and it is also displayed on the screen. So while I'll be shopping, I'll be adding few products and all, and as I finish it, the particular cart is now bring to the control section from where the automatic billing will be done. I'll be connecting few wires to the smart cart, and on my single click the whole products that is into the cart will be listed on this computer screen, and I'll be checking or unchecking few products that I have to select for the final payment, and the complete process will be done from the registered user card that will be scanned by another reader. So let me start demonstrating you the same. My friend will be plugging in the battery. There it goes. So the project displayed smart card, and you can see the lock has been locked and the cart is locked now. So for passing the products, I am having few RFID cards, as you can see. So I'll be passing on the products. You can see now total number of products are 1, the RFID tag was 2. You can see total number of products 2. I'll be passing another product now with product ID 3 now, total products 3. I'll be passing product ID 2 now. There it goes. I can even scroll down the products and see which products have been added to my cart. So this is the complete shopping process that is to be done. So for making the bill, I need to connect my PC. So let me bring that. There it goes. I'll plug this cable into this. I'll be clicking on the connect button from my PC. So there it goes. You see all the products registered into this, and the lock of the cart goes open. So the products can be now withdrawn from the same. Let me disconnect the same. You can see the products with their IDs, the product names, the product colors, the RFID tags, the cost and all, and the IDs and total quantity, present quantity in my database. So for scanning the user card, I'm having another push button over here, that is to get the user ID, but before that I need to connect my another RF reader to the same. So let me plug this RFID reader. So I'll be clicking on get user ID from the same. There it goes. Now I'll pass the user ID, the registered user card, and it showed the registered user card is 8CA and the previous balance that is in the card, that is 1830. So I'll now click on the total price, and it also displayed that product is going out of stock because the remaining quantity was less than the threshold. So you can see the total cost of the bill is now 105, and the remaining balance from the user card is deducted from its original amount, and as I click on the submit button, the bill will be done, and from the database the amount will be deducted. There it goes. It also displayed a thank you message for the same. And I have few other forms also for registering the products. There I have for registering new products, the product name, the product ID, cost, the product RFID tags and all. I have few forms for registering new users. and I even have a form to enter or recharge the amount into the user card. So this was all about the smart card, and thank you for being.